Hello, I'm Elizabeth and this is your planning mentor. Today we are going to be doing a plan with me for April 20th through April 26th. It's the 17th week. I'm in my Sterling Ink vertical planner A5 and we are going to use these beautiful stickers. This is the April kit from Graceful Muse Paperie. I have my mild liner and my Clenna Energel. First thing I want to do, I think, is lay down some beautiful washi. And this washi is split. I'm going to put this up here. I think I'm going to use this. I'm going to put that right there at 10 o'clock because that's when I like to go to bed. I'm going to put my days of the week down here. This is my notes section. This gold foiling is so beautiful on her stickers. Let's go ahead and put in our appointments. These are washi dots I got off Amazon. So I have a meeting. I'm going to write this in pencil. I have an appointment here Tuesday. Have family dinner down here. We do that every week. Dinner with friends on Thursday. And then an appointment with a friend for coffee. Don't know what time that is yet, but it's probably going to be around there. And when I do that, I'll probably switch out maybe a coffee sticker. Now I kind of got ahead of myself because I like to do my sidebar over here. Put my goals here. And then I put my tracking down here and I track my self-care. And I'll put a card for how I do that for the video that shows that. So I track my quiet time, my emotional state, reading, getting outside, walking, exercise, vibration plate, learning, and my goals. And then here I will put a breath prayer, and I get these breath prayers from this book, Breath is Prayer by Jennifer Tucker. Today's breath prayer is: inhale, you know what I long for. Exhale, you hear my every sigh. And that's from Psalm 38:9. You know what I long for. Exhale, you hear my every sigh. So let's go ahead and decorate now. I think I'm going to use this beautiful teacup for visiting my friend. And fill that up. And I can put it however I want in there. This is cute for family dinner. Even though, I mean, we're not having a picnic, but how cute is that, you know? Kind of wasted these. So I will rewrite that later. This is a pretty sticker. These colors are so lovely. We're going to put this up here for church. All right, we have our appointments. We have our note section. We have our breath prayer. We have our tracking of our self-care plan, place for goals, beautiful stickers from a Graceful Muse Paperie. I love the colors in this layout. Like I say every week, don't forget to put yourself on your list. Put yourself in your planner. Make yourself a priority. I hope you nurture your mind, your body, and your spirit this week. You are worth it. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.